Kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for a fun new JuJuBe unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new JuJuBe Star Wars, like first time ever collaboration for these two, Galaxy of Rivals. I'm super excited. Our family is a big fan of Star Wars, and so I know my kids are gonna love this print, and I think even my husband's gonna love this print. I actually borrowed one of his shirts. As you guys can see, he is a Star Wars fan. I don't have any of my own t-shirts, but he has like several, and this is my favorite one because it's so comfortable. But also it's blue and it matches this new print, so I wish that this new print had AT-AT walkers on it. That would be so cute. But it has a lot of other fun characters. Look at the size of this box, you guys. I do want to say a big thank you to JuJuBe for sending this over to me to share with you guys. Unboxings are like one of my favorite things to do on my channel, so this is going to be really fun for me. And I would love to know what you guys have ordered. If you have already ordered from this release, what did you guys manage to snag from this limited edition release? And if you haven't shopped, I would love if you guys would shop through me. I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop this print now. So let's go ahead and dig in. I tried to pick things that I knew you guys might be interested in, as far as maybe packing videos or reviews, and also things that you guys might want to take to like theme parks and things, because I feel like this type of print would be so much fun at Disney in places like that. So here we go. Gotta be careful because they're using this new tape on here, and I really don't want to puncture anything. Let me feel. It feels like I'm not gonna hit anything. But I do love this tape because it has like their logo slogan thing on it. It says, "Love what you carry," and I've loved that they've been using that for so long. It's such a good slogan. So here we go. Lots of this on top, so I can't even see very well. Oh, this color is so fun. I think it actually matches my shirt pretty well. Okay, so I want to start with, I want to start with a bag, but there are accessories in here as well. I actually want to start with, is this it? Ooh, this is the brand new bag. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and put this box down for now. This is their brand new bag, and what I think is so cool about this particular one is that it includes a passy pod with it. At least that's what it looks like. This print is so much fun. Oh my gosh. This is such a lightweight type of sling bag, you guys. If you hear anything weird, it's my cat. She's like freaking out and like running around the house like a crazy person. So I have Emma over here and she's just like chilling out in her crate. So at least one of my pets is like behaving themselves. This is so cool. Okay, so it's like an attached passy pod. That is interesting. I will show this up close to you guys. Here is the print. Isn't that so cute? My cat is so weird. Can you guys hear that? She's being so weird. But you've got Chewbacca. I think he's on the front there. Oh no, that is Darth Vader. I can't see from where I'm at. But I'm gonna go ahead and point out all the characters that I can see. You've got Boba Fett, Yoda, Stormtroopers, C-3PO, R2-D2, you've got Darth Vader, you have, I think I said Yoda already, you also have Chewbacca. Oh, I've got perfect print placement Darth Vader on this passy pod attachment. That is the best. And I think that's, oh, you've also got this guy, and oh my gosh, I don't remember his name. Somebody tell me who that is. Like, I don't think he's super cute, so I only remember the robots that I think are super cute. Their names and stuff. Oh my gosh, there's a little Ewok on the top here too. Look how cute. When I was a kid, the Ewok movie, sorry, I can't remember exactly which one it was, but that one was my favorite, where Princess Leia like is in the woods with Ewoks. I loved that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. This is the Park Pack. This is a brand new style, and this is just the perfect little bag to carry with you to theme parks and things like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I wanna see what this like attached passy pod thing is. It's so different. I've never seen that on any of their other bags. So the thing that I really like about this one is the lack of organization, which means that I can use my own organization. And I just wanna say I'm totally obsessed with the lining on this bag. I am just now seeing it for the first time, and I'm a big fan of Stormtroopers. I have always loved their costumes, their uniforms. Look at that lining. I love it so much. That is so cute. It's so complimentary to the rest of the bag too, but I just love the clone guys. Oh, and then right in between, I don't know if anybody else has ever shown anybody this part, but you have Darth Vader there nestled amongst the clones. So I think that is so great. But like I was saying, this bag has like one zipper on the inside and everything else is empty. But you know what that means? That means that if you have a small water bottle, it's gonna fit in here. Like you can put it sideways and you can use pouches to organize, which I love. So that's one of the things about some of their other slings that it didn't have. Like they all had a lot of organization on the inside, but you can't really use the set pieces with it. But this one you can. So, and it's really lightweight. I love that. So you do have that one zipper pocket back there. I'm going to do a review on this bag as well. There's the pocket. And it's not a super big pocket, but I think it's big enough to put like your keys and things into it if you want to keep it separate. And then you have another like secret zipper bag up here. Now that is a more generously sized pocket. So this is their new bag. Now I want to check out what's inside of this passy pod. Like, is it different than a normal passy pod? It is literally a passy pod. I love that. That is so cool. And the great thing about passy pods is that you don't have to just have passies in here. You can put hair ties, you can put a pill case, like there's so many endless uses. So if you want to have quick access to something that you want to keep separate from the rest of your bag, this is a great place to store that. AirPods, like there's just so many uses. So I really like this new Park Pack bag, you guys. I am going to do a review on it because I love slings. But I love this print. It is so much fun. Oh, my kids are gonna like flip over this when they see this. So one of the other bags that I really wanted to get in this print was the mini bee, because I haven't seen JuJuBe make a mini bee in the longest time. And when I saw that they had this again, I was so excited. I was like, this is the perfect bag to have as a mini bee because you can drop this off at daycare. You can use this for preschool. You can use this as a diaper bag. Like it has so many uses and it's really comfortable. This is what my print placement looks like. This is the Mini Bee Plus, which means that it has a change pad inside, so you really can use it as a diaper bag if you want. I love Boba Fett on the front here. I actually really love my print placement on the front right here. This is just so cute. I think that's my perfect print placement, is like the Stormtroopers, Darth Vader, and Boba Fett, like all the bad guys. I don't know if I'm really Team Empire or Team Rebel, but I think I kind of lean a little bit more towards the Empire. Is that bad? I don't know. I just love the bad guys. So let's go ahead and open up this bag. Nice smooth zippers. Here is the included change pad. I'm totally obsessed with the lining on this bag, you guys. So this is a light change pad, which means that you can just like bend it and fold it and stick it into a medium set piece if you wanted to, or a large set piece, and tuck it away in your bag to keep it away from everything else. So here's what the inside looks like. I love it. I love it, love it. This lining is the best. It's totally up my alley. I can't wait to show my husband these. He's gonna like flip over these. I also have the bee set because, as you guys know, I cannot do an unboxing without having a bee set in hand. They're one of my favorite JuJuBe bag styles. So I've got lots of Darth Vader. This is what my front print placement looks like. Isn't that so cute? And here's the back. So cute, love it. Let's see what the medium looks like. Not a fan of that print placement, but this side is so great. Do you guys like, are there a lot of like big time Yoda fans out there? Because I've got a lot of Yoda print placement. Like look at this, on both sides of this I have Yoda. If it was Grogu, I would be all about it, you guys, because he is so cute. Yoda is not my favorite. Back when they were doing him as a puppet though, I kind of liked him. All right, so that is the bee set. And then if you're new to JuJuBe, the bee set actually comes with two straps. You have a short wrist strap and you have a long crossbody strap. So you can actually wear these bags as little purses if you wanted to, besides having them organize your diaper bag. So I love that. Let's move on. I've got two more things to share with you guys. I got a fuel cell because I feel like that's like another thing that JuJuBe hasn't come out with in a long time is fuel cells. And I really do love the old styles of things that they used to do. And so when I saw that they had this available, I wanted to grab it because this also fits really great inside of the mini bee, size-wise. Isn't that cute? I didn't get a look at my front placement. Oh, I've got my perfect print placement on the front. I also love Chewy, you guys. Like, he's just the cutest. All right, let's open it up. The fuel cell is so great, you guys. It is an insulated lunchbox, but you can use it to hold breast milk. As long as you have an ice pack, you can put breast milk, you can put like applesauce, you can put a full lunch in here for your kids for school. You can also put in utensils, napkins, and things like that in this zipper pocket up here. And then you also have a D-ring, one on each side up here. So if you wanted to, besides having the grab handle, you could actually add a strap on. It does not come with a strap, but you could add a strap on. And you could wear this bag over your shoulder or crossbody if you had one. So I am sure that they came out with like a messenger strap for this particular print. I don't see why they wouldn't have. So check that out. The last bag that I have in here is the BFF because I just know that there are so many Star Wars fans out there that I'm sure you guys would like to see JuJuBe's most popular style diaper bag in this print. So I had to get this for you guys. It's also one of my top favorite styles. I just love the shape of it. It's so cute. I can just imagine people walking around Disney with this on and like getting so many compliments on it. Look at that. I cannot wait to see the lining on this bag and see how it looks on the inside of the BFF because I just know it's going to be awesome. Here I go. I love it. I love it, especially because it's so lightly colored. Like, you can throw in the extra, here's a memory foam change pad. I'll get back to my thought in a second. Messenger strap. And then you have your backpack straps. Print placement is pretty good. I got stormtroopers on both. There they are. But like I was saying about the lining is, because it's so light colored, if you had some of their navy stuff or even like their sunshiny yellow chromatics colors, like so many chromatics colors would look so good with this bag, but because it's so light colored, the contrast of this inside your bag is just so cute. Look at that. I love it. So you can just easily find what you're looking for super quickly. But there is the inside of the BFF, you guys. It's got loads of pockets and zippers, lots of space, and it has one of the best mommy pockets ever. So I'm going to show you guys that too. I love it. It even has a little sunglass holder right there. Isn't that great? I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful. If you're looking to purchase any of these styles, I really enjoyed doing this. It was fun. If you haven't already purchased any of the Galaxy of Rivals print, I would love if you guys would shop JuJuBe with me, and I will leave my affiliate link down in the description below for you, and you can shop through that anytime. I'd love to know what is your favorite or your perfect print placement on this new print. I've already told you guys mine. I love the bad guys. I don't know why. I just do. They just all have so much personality and character to their costumes. I just love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching.